Oh wait. So our first round for our German gummy taste testing is going to be peaches and sour fries, or pommes. Sour pommes. And I don't know how to say peach because I can't pronounce that. It's been a long time since I had German, but those are the first two. Right, maybe taste the straw first. Whenever you're ready.
They're chewy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they're gummies.
Mm.
Then after you eat the straw, eat the peach.
The straw tastes like peach. Blanche, leave it.
Just ignore Blanche.
They're really sour.
Well, they're sour straws.
Oh. I hope all of them aren't covered in sugar.
Just these two were, that's why I put them in the same bracket.
Okay. The other ones I'm just chewy. We have jam or something inside. Mama.
What?
I just noticed, like, this is just a heart. These ones have jam inside. Oh?
I don't think they have anything in them. I think they're just extra gummy in the middle.
Yeah. They're not as chewy as the others. Inside there's, like, softer gummy. Mm-hmm. Like a gummy bear.
You are definitely the link of this group. All right. Did you both taste both now? Did you all taste both now?
Mm-hmm.
If you think the peach ones were better, raise your hand. If you think the sour straws were better, raise your hand. The peach ones win that round.
It's unanimous.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Moira raised her hand.
But not for the peach one. She
Yes.
raised her hand for the other one.
Yeah. She raised it right before you said the other one.
Oh. Wait, which one did you mean? The peach or the straw?
Peach.
Oh, okay.
The peach is better.
All right, the next round is going to be Haribo Happy Cola and Haribo Frackelfuchse, which means naughty foxes. And those also appear to be soda flavored, except they look like some are cola flavored and some are lemon lime flavored, or lemon soda flavored. Okay, so let's taste. We have the cola bottles, and then we have the lemon lime flavored naughty foxes.
Cold first? Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Wow, that's eating. So chewy. Yeah. So great. They're really chewy and cool flavor. I'm trying to break this in half. The foxes are also really chewy.
Haribos do tend to be a chewier gummy.
The foxes are even chewier. Oh. Mm-hmm.
All right, let me know once you've all finished eating both, or tasting both.
Done. Me too.
Paige is still chewing, because they're very chewy. Who thought the cola bottles were better? It's unanimous again. So the cola bottles are better than the lemon soda flavored naughty foxes.
Okay, next.
Do not taste like lemon soda flavored foxes.
How many lemon flavored foxes have you
Like,
tasted?
they don't taste like they're lemon soda flavored.
Okay.
It just tastes really weird.
Okay. Next will be Happy Cherries against the berries. All right, let's go ahead. Let's taste the cherries first and then the berries.
Chili. They're sticky. The stems are a different flavor.
No, they aren't.
They taste different.
You just think so because they're a different color. That's your brain overriding your taste buds.
They're much thinner. And the flavor,
They are a little thinner than the other ones were, but they're still really, really chewy.
Once you finish the cherries, you can eat the berries and see which one you like.
I definitely know.
All right, who likes the cherries better? Who likes the berries better? The next bracket is Die Schlumpfe, which I'm sure means the Smurfs, and Troppi Frutti, which I'm assuming is tropical fruit.
Cute.
All right.
Oh wait,
They're both just about as big.
Whenever you're ready,
Which one's
you can
yours?
go ahead and have, how about we have the banana one first and then the Smurf.
Oh, the bananas
good.
are not as chewy as the others.
They're drier, I think. Less gummy.
On the outside, they're dry.
And it tastes like banana.
They're so good.
Sit down.
Yeah, this smells off.
And once you finish the banana, you can eat the Smurf.
Really hot. So hot. They're so chewy compared to the banana.
Did I tell you they all came from Germany? And that's why you can have them?
You said that they were German, but you didn't say that they were from Germany.
Yeah, they were made in Germany. They came from Amazon. They use different kinds of food colors there, yeah. Well, they're all naturally colored. Even though they're the same kinds of candy, a lot of them, that we would have here. They're just used different colors. And different flavors for some of them, too. Like, they don't usually have grape anything in Europe. They usually have currant instead.
You definitely know what I'm choosing.
Me too.
Does everybody know? Okay. If you like the banana, I guess you all like the Troppi Frutti
And again, it's
over the Smurf. The next bracket is KinderSchnuler and Voldegeister, which we combine because they're both ones that are definitely not available in America. KinderSchnuler is pacifiers and Voldegeister is wood ghosts. The wood ghost.
Yay.
Whenever you're ready, eat the wood ghost and then eat the pacifier.
And his hat.
Look at the inside.
Yeah, me too. I ate his hat too.
Me too.
I ate the whole thing.
Then I ate all the dress, all the clothing.
But I still want to go ahead. Fine.
The head to the last part I'm eating.
like the flavor.
Oh, you're supposed to chew it though so you can compare it to the other ones.
I think that the wood ghosts are cherry flavored.
I'm not sure.
I think these are too. And maybe orange.
Do you have an opinion yet on which one is better or not yet? You do? You do?
I just put the other one in my mouth.
Oh, okay. I thought that was the second piece of it. Well, have you chewed that one yet?
Yeah.
Do you have an opinion about which one is better or not yet? All right, so we're just waiting on Paige to decide. You can take your time. You don't need to rush.
Okay.
Ready?
So,
Who thinks the wood ghost is better? Oh, who thinks the pacifier is better? This is our first divided one.
the wood ghost is a little bit softer.
Oh, okay. But they taste pretty much the same otherwise?
Yeah.
Well, the pacifier wins that round, but not by as much as the other ones. The last bracket in round one is QuaxiGoldBaron, which is frogs and bears. Okay, so our next round is we're having the frogs and the bears, but there are no Studebakers.
Who's this?
Let's have the bear first, how about?
Thank you. Goodbye, my friend.
I still don't get it.
Well, maybe I need to make you watch that movie again.
I think that the frog is like marshmallow on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as you have finished the bear, you may eat the frog.
I'm gonna eat its head first so it's less painful.
Okay.
It is marshmallow on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
I know what I'm picking.
I know my winner.
I know mine too.
All right. Who liked the frog better? Okay, unanimous. And that is the end of round one. And tomorrow we'll have round two.